How to log in into SBI credit card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in SBI credit card and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, sbicard.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. You just have to provide your credentials. You can use mobile number, user ID or card details to log into your account. So I'm going to use card number. After you type in the card number, you can click on the option of proceed. And in the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on done. And just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in into SBI credit card account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.